Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I guess you clicked on this video to see me do my my cleansing routine and to see how I maintain my hair, or my lack thereof, right? If you're interested in seeing me doing this, my upkeep with lupus and taking care of my skin, continue watching this video. And welcome to my channel, those of you who are new. And if you'd like to see more from me, of course, please subscribe to the channel. And if you did like the video, like you stuck to the end and you liked it and you want to see more from me, definitely like this video and subscribe. Leave me comments if you want to. And yeah, let's just continue watching. I'm not going to keep you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with shaving my head. I feel extra frumpy lately just because of this flare-up. Like, you see my eye? It looks so much better now. Like, this was all red and I wore sunglasses at home because my eyes were just so sore. Like, it was just so painful and I just couldn't deal with it, honestly. I stayed in bed for like 2 days until I got better, and I probably should have recorded this before so you could see what it looked like. I'll insert some photos so you could see what it did look like. Yeah, so I have drops for it. There's some steroid drops that I got prescribed for it, and I was supposed to go see the doctor about it before the whole quarantine started, but I couldn't go. We're going to start off with my clippers here. We're going to shave my hair off, what I do have. So you can see that the hair hasn't grown back on these spots right here and over here and over on this side. You see the really white spots, like the scarring from having really bad flare-ups where, like, literally, like when I put like a headscarf or gauze or a, oh God, now I can't say it, gauze over it, like, they would literally get stuck to my head, and to take it off, painful. I have photos of those somewhere. I will insert that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Oh, those days, terrible. And mind you, when that happened, I used to go in, I think it was once a month, to get the steroid injection into my scalp to help the hair grow back. And I got to the point where I was just like, I'm not going to do this anymore. It doesn't make any sense. I don't care if the hair grows back. I'll just wear wigs or just leave my head as is, because it wasn't really making a difference and the pain was too bad for me to, you know, to deal with it. Like, not being able to sleep at night because my head is so sore. Like, I can't lay down on either side of my head. You know, it was just too much for me. I mean, it's honestly not worth it, really. Alright, so let's start off. This is pretty loud, so what? I need to put some oiliness. Alright. There we go. Let's see. Take 2. Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, so I'm back. My battery died while I was shaving my head, but I have finished. This is the finished thing. This is my head shaved completely. And I applied some coconut oil to it. I don't do much with my scalp. I just let it be. Just add oil to it. And I call it a day. And now I'm going to wash my face using Proactive. I've been using it ever since my face broke out when I left the hospital a few years back. Like my skin was like really messed up from all the steroids that I was on. Like the really high dosage of the prednisone really messed up my face. So ever since then, like I started using it and it really helped. Like my face looks so much better now. So I just put some of it on the brush and I just pretty much work it into my face. Wash this off, and then I'm going to take one of these. These are cotton tissues to dry my face up after. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. My face is nice and clean. It's been cleansed. Now I'm going to go in with a face mask, and I'm using the Mario Badescu Flower and Tonic Mask. Let's see, can you see this? Here we go. This is what it looks like, and I'm just using this spatula to apply this to my face. Like, I swear, I feel like for the past couple of years since I've had lupus, I find like my speech has changed. I don't know if this is something common, if it happens to anyone else who has this disease, but like what I think I'm saying, it's not what I'm actually saying, and I lose like my train of thought sometimes. Like, just I do. Like, I digress from things and then I don't always go back to what I was. Don't I look like a man shaving my face? Like I just applied my shaving cream and I'm about to shave my manly hairs off my face. Like, this makes it so much easier to apply this to your face, like, because you keep your hands clean. I hate getting this stuck under my nails. Like, it's a pain to wash this off, honestly. Alright, now this is supposed to help with like clearing out your pores and helping even out your skin tone. But I definitely need help in that category. Ew, I look like Casper. Sure do. So I leave this on for 20 minutes and then I wash it off with warm water. And after that, we're going to go in with toners and oils and moisturizers and all that jazz. Back, my face is nice and clean. It feels so much better already. I'm going to start with the toner. I'm using the Tatcha, see this, the Tatcha Essence. So alright, so this says that it's a concentration of pure micronutrients, softens and plumps the skin with deep hydration while maximizing the performance of the Tatcha Skin Ritual. So I love this thing. My skin always feels so good after I use it. I just pour it into my hand, like a few drops into my hand, rub my hands together, and then I just press it into my face. Okay, so after I've applied the essence to my face, just pressing it, I go in with this watermelon fine mist spray. It's just to rehydrate my face. And it just smells so good. It's like a mist, like you could barely feel it. It's not like, you know, when you use like the what do you call it, the Fix Plus spray, you know, like you feel it on your face, like, you know, that heavy spray. Like you don't feel that. This is a mist. Like you just feel like clouds and clouds are just softly falling onto your face, like just gently, or feathers are being swept across your face. Like it feels so good. Like I really love it. And the smell, that watermelon scent, so good. All right, so I'm now going to go in with the Tatcha brightening serum to help even out my skin tone a bit. It says that it has Japanese angelica root and a double dose of vitamin C, and it's for all skin types. So I do like 3 pumps into my hand, and again I just press it into my skin. Then I go in with the Glow Recipe avocado eye mask, and I just take a little of that, using my spatula, just the tip of it to get into the bottle, and I put a little under each of my eyes, just under my eyes. Then I ring finger and rub it in. This has helped so much with my dark circles. Like, I'm notorious for dark circles because I don't sleep at nights that much. Right, just rub it in. Okay, now after the eye mask, I'm going to go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer just to add more hydration to my face. A few pumps onto my hand and just rubbing it into my face. Glow Recipe again. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Again, good, so good. I'm gonna take this spatula and you see, oh, this just looks so gooey. And I'm just gonna apply this to my face. You just brush it on and then rub it in. Oh my god, this feels so good. And it smells so good, like a fruit bowl. And I'm not a huge fan of fruits. Like, I like tropical fruits, that's about it. And this just smells so good. And my skin feels amazing. Like, gosh. Yeah. And that's it. Like, this is all I do. And I go to sleep, and the next day my skin feels better, and this puts me in a better mood. Like, when I first started this, I felt on the downside, and now I just feel refreshed. Like, my face feels nice and clean, my head's been shaved, I added a little oil to it, you know. That's that. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you liked it, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe. So on one of these sides, subscribe. Hit the bell so you get a notification as to when I upload my next video. And if you're interested in trying any of the products that I used in this, I will have it listed down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and welcome to my channel, those of you who are new. Again, all right, see you guys.